What's good, everybody? So what do you do with the remote control when you don't want to clutter and you have multiple? Well, you can get a little magnetic mount like this on the wall and have a nice and clean setup. It comes in different colors, it holds, it doesn't fall. Stay tuned for the whole video. Okay, so these are gonna make your life so much easier. We're in our baby room, Zane's room, and then we have 3 remote controls. They're always somewhere. There's a TV remote control for cartoons, and then this is our fireplace remote for the winter for the heat, and then we've got a mini Google, and then we've got our little camera baby monitor. But always, you know, like I always place them, but always somehow gets misplaced. So we thought, let's see if there's a way that we can organize them. So this is a tile. It's ceramic tile. So we wanted to go and stick something on here, but we don't want to go and drill or anything. So I found these nice cool magnets that you can attach to remote controls and everything, and they basically hold things up. They're very nice and slim, and you can remove them without damaging any of your surfaces. So let's see if they work. They do come in different colors, so we just kind of got a pack of 6, but you can get them in 5s, 4s, black, white, and gray. This is metal, and inside these is a little magnet. So when we apply one on here, you see, it just kind of sticks. Beautiful. So let's say we go and we apply this here for our baby monitor, for example, or here somewhere. We're never going to lose it again. But for me, I'm going to first apply this to the remote control. So let's go and peel this. It's a double adhesive. There it is. The white part comes off. Remember, the white part or the little puck is metal. So this is what you attach to your remote. Okay, put that in the center. Done. And now you apply this to this. Now you test it. Pretty good. And now you need to go and apply another adhesive to the back of this. So we're gonna take another double adhesive. We're gonna peel one side and we're gonna apply it. All right. And now we're gonna peel the last part. 2 remotes are done. Adhesives are ready to go. We're gonna put these here. We're gonna put our Roku for the TV here. And we kind of wanna, at least me, I kind of wanna visually make it nice and clean. So we're gonna put this here. And I'm just taking this and pressing. There we go. And it sits. Great. Is it going to fall easily? Well, of course, if you do this, it's not going to fall, but if you yank it, it may. Now we're going to take this one and position it basically straight on. There we go. Just going to take this off so I can make sure that these kind of look straight. They do, and that's it. So, can't really tell, right? It's there, but you can't really tell. And then when you're ready, put this on, walk away, and there you have it. Very nice and easy solution for all your remote controls. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys next time.